Hey Cromer, Mr. Davis here, and I have an update and a revision about how the talent show auditions are going to work. So it turns out that doing stuff after school is a little complicated with health guidelines and all that stuff, so I'm going to make it really simple for you. If you would like to be in the talent show this year, have your performance featured in a video, then anytime next week, so this is May 17th through May 21st, anytime next week, just come find me on your lunch break. Ask your teacher if you could maybe come in for a few minutes during recess, and I can coordinate with them as well. Just let me know that you're interested, and I can record your performance as your audition. So instead of doing an after-school thing on Friday the 21st, it's an open window. You have a 5-day window to submit something, some sort of audition to get into the talent show. So I hope that makes it a little bit easier and less complicated than trying to figure out how to stay after school or arrange rides, all that stuff. So I look forward again to see all of your amazing talents at Cromer. All right, thank you.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting him.
Interrupting. Oh!
Why did the bear ask the chicken for something?
Why?
Because the bear wanted the chicken for dinner.
How did the piece of clothing die? From the hanger.
What's a 5-year-old widow and about to get in? I don't want to get in.
Why are pirates good musicians? Because they can sing the high seas.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, then I haven't got a chance. I call him. I call him. I call him. I call him. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop.
Good morning, Cromer kids. It's a new day on campus, so let's see what today brings. Today is Friday, May 14th. And we do celebrate some birthdays. Today we have Cade's birthday, and over the weekend we have Lyric, Charlotte, and Mila. So I wish all of you a happy birthday. I hope it's a great day from Cromer to you. Remembering that we're trying to get a Cub Scout pack started at Cromer, and you can find this flyer on our website if Mom and Dad need more information. And we do have breakfast and lunch today, and today is Friday, so remember family food boxes are also available at 12 o'clock to 1:30. But for breakfast today we have a banana muffin, and for lunch we have toasted ham and cheese sandwich. And then our Roars Challenge. Every Friday we get a new Roars winner, and so you can see our winners, and I'll add to it today, but I look forward to announcing who's the winner at our assemblies. And I did find a new quote of the day, and it is about kindness. And sometimes if we spread a little kindness, the world will be a better place, and Cromer might be a better place. So it says, simple kindness may be the most vital key to the riddle of how human beings can live with each other in peace and care properly for this planet we all share. So I challenge all of you, show a little kindness today, maybe to someone who you don't know or someone you're having troubles with, but let's show a little kindness. And at this point in time, if you could stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence. Hey, that Wildcat wanted you to remind you that we are doing our XYZ countdown to summer. And today is L, so it's lollipop. And there's a song, lollipop, lollipop, la 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 lollipop. But on Monday, it's kite day. I wonder if we're going to make kites. I wonder if it'll be windy enough to fly a kite. Let's see. So, Mr. Davis, I turn it over to you. Take it away.
I would like to shout out all of my 3rd, 4th, 5th graders for having an amazing link up. I am one proud music teacher, and you proved you really know how to swing. Thank you.
Miss D here. My shout out goes to Jaden and Miss Strauss's class. Jaden, thank you so much for helping us pull the weeds. Yes.
Yeah. All right, I'll go next and then you can go last. All right, Miss Mitchell here. My shout out this week goes to preschool. It has been so much fun coming in and doing art with you. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
My shout out goes to Tatum in Miss Sharp's class. Way to go, Tatum, getting that Pizza Edge coupon. I hope you enjoy your banana split or your pizza. Good job, bud.
Hey everybody, this is 2nd grade and we just wanted to wish all of our 2nd graders a great big congratulations for finishing testing this week. You guys persevered, you guys didn't give up, you worked so very hard, and you were so patient through all of our technology and anything that might have come up. So we are so very proud of you, and we want to thank you and congratulations on getting that done. Have a great weekend everybody, and we'll see you next time.
3rd grade. I want to give my shout out today to George. George, you are working really hard, making really great connections, especially in math. I love how your brain works. And every morning, I love how you just come in and you ask what you can do to help. That's awesome. So good job, George.
Happy Friday, everyone. I wanted to give my shout out to Aaliyah this week. Aaliyah has progressed 3 levels on Lexia since we returned, and I am just so impressed by all your hard work, Aaliyah. Keep it up.
And my shout out is going to Harrison and Chandler for working so hard while being virtual and getting all of your assignments turned in. So way to go, guys. Keep up the great work.
And my shout out is going to the whole class for being patient while I navigate all the technology issues now that I'm working with Ms. Atkins one-on-one since Ms. Holleran is gone. So thank you guys.
I have a couple.
shout outs today to Adiel and Elliot. I really see your progression and your writing skills, and I think it's amazing and marvelous to watch you grow so quickly now that you've got the tools. That's really awesome. And to Abby, just way to slay the Synergy math test. I'm so proud of you. You just made my heart sing when I saw such great scores. So thanks, everybody. And to everyone, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.
Happy Friday, Cromer and Wildcats, Mrs. Kaiser. And I would like to send my shout out to my whole class this week for working so hard on the Ames Web and Synergy tests. I could tell you were really focused and tried your best. So I really appreciate all of your hard work and dedication. And I would also like to send a shout out to my top 2 Lexia students. Caitlin had 138 minutes and Talia with 110. And in Dreambox, top 2 students, Eli completed 36 lessons and Jason completed 23. She set a personal goal and she kept working towards it. So I'm really proud of her as well. So have a great weekend, everyone. And you did a good job this week.
All right, I've got almost exactly the same shout out, Mrs. Marquardt here, and I would like to congratulate my whole class for getting the testing done all in 1 week and persevering through that. Then I'd like to give a special shout out to my Lexia students for leveling up, and that goes to Justin and Taylor. And thank you guys for working so hard and getting that done. And then progressing in standards for Dreambox, I would like to shout out to Cami. Nice job. Have a great weekend, Wildcats.
Hi, it's Miss Weeby. I wanted to say thank you to my entire class for being able to get through our crazy schedule this week and the change in the plan. And then I also wanted to thank Miss Wells for all the help that she has given us through this semester. And she graduated last week and her last day will be this Friday. So thank you, Miss Wells.
Hi, I'm Miss Wells. I wanted to thank Miss Weeby's class, the whole 5th grade, and all of Cromer for welcoming me and having me here for the whole semester. I have enjoyed my time and I will miss all of you.
Hi, Mr. Pitcher here. I want to thank everybody for persevering through benchmark testing this week, really trying your hardest. Thanks for finishing strong.
Hello, Mr. Hernandez here. It's been a busy week, lots of work to be done, and you all made it through. But I'd like to give a shout out to the following students for completing their goals in Lexia and Dreambox. Thank you, Marcus and Nico, for making responsible choices when you have the time for that. Thank you.
Thanks, 5th grade.
A one, a two, a one. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities. necessities. That's Mother Nature's recipes. It bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to get that honey just for me. Well, you look under the rocks and plants and get a glance at the fancy ants and maybe try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to you. The simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities. That's why this bed can rest at ease. You bring the bare necessities of life. So just relax, yeah, in my backyard.
I want to be on. I saw it.